How are you today? Are you good? Yes, I'm good too. Thank you. Okay, in this video lesson, we are going to do art and craft Indonesian flag. Before it, Miss Liwis want to ask you, do you know what is the color of Indonesian flag? Yeah, there are red and white. So, I want to tell you what are the materials that we need to make art and craft Indonesian flag. There are red paint, white cottons, paper cuts, glue, and then the picture of Indonesian flag. For the first, take your worksheet Indonesian flag, and then you have to paint red color of Indonesian flag like this. Okay, maybe you can paint it by your brush. Be careful ya. Okay, this is the first step, and then second, please put glue on this side until full. After that, take white cotton and then stick on this side. White cotton as white color of Indonesian flag. This is the second step. And then the third, please put glue again on the pole. And then stick paper cuts on the pole, one by one. Okay, this is the third step. Yay! It looks good! Let it dry for 15 up to 20 minutes. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Happy trying! Goodbye!